Hi friends, welcome to Codify. So today we will see how having command works in SQL. So here in the previous tutorial we have seen how group by works. So basically if I explain a bit more, then you can see if I remove it and if I execute it. Okay, so there you can see it is grouped by text rate. Okay, so whatever our text rate is and how many times it is counted, basically in a group it is coming. Now inside a grouped data, if we want to filter, then we can use having command. So particularly if we give having command and then count category id, and if we close that, okay, category id greater than 2. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are trying that category id, whatever our category id as as count category id, we are taking as category count. Okay, so category account, you can see text rate 00, it's present 2 times, text rate 15, it is present 4 times, text rate 12, it is present 2 times. So under category count, we are aliasing under category count, it is showing, okay, that whatever text rate we have. So it is in a group manner, it is coming from here, and from this data we want to filter. So for that we are using having and then count category id greater than 2, which means whatever data that is greater category count, actually, as we can see that category count is aliasing in category this field. Okay, so having count category id, it is nothing but category count greater than 2. So basically greater than 2, in this in here we have 4 and 3, which is greater than 2. So let's execute that. Yes, 4 and 3 we get. So in a group table, if we want to filter, then we use having command. Okay, so this is the use of our having command in SQL. Now we will jump into our next part. Our next part is order by. Okay, so in our table you can see that our product count is 0 10, it is it is coming in a manner. So if we want our product from from the biggest number present here, okay, suppose 25, which is the highest number here present under product count. So from highest to lowest, it will come into a serial. Okay, so for that reason we can use order clause. Okay, it can be ascending, it could be descending order, or whatever order we want. So let's give an example so that you can understand it more. So star select star from new cafe and our table categories. So order by product count DESC. Okay, so let's execute it first, then we will discuss it. So here you can see that select star, select all the fields from the table, from database new cafe category table, order by product counts, whatever our product count is, it is DESC, from the highest number to the lowest number it is coming. So you can see 25 is the highest and 0 is the lowest. So here if we want to use ASC, okay, ASC, so what it will does, it will do from smaller to greater number, it is serially will come. So let's execute that. So here you can see from a smaller number to large number, it is it is generating the date table serially. So in this way you can use order by. Now we can jump into our next part. Our next part is the limit clause. Okay, so what basically limit clause does. So let's do a command first, then we can see what actually the limit clause does. So select star from new cafe dot categories table. Let's assume giving limit 5. Okay, so what it actually does, so whatever the first 5 data we have in our table, it will return those data. Okay, so let's execute it first. So yeah, you can see first 5 data it is giving as output. So this is it for today, and I will see you next time.